What would you do if your brake pedal suddenly stopped working? Because pressing it harder isn't always the answer. And if you don't know what to do next, those few seconds can become extremely dangerous. So if your brakes ever fail, here's exactly what you need to do. First, take your foot off the accelerator and stay calm. Then, press the brake pedal firmly. If it feels soft or drops to the floor, pump it several times. Sometimes, this can build enough hydraulic pressure to bring some braking power back. If that doesn't work, move on quickly. Your next tool is engine braking, and if you're driving an automatic, you need to know how to use it. Keep the car in drive, but look for a lower gear or manual mode. Depending on your car, you might have L2, L1, or paddle shifters. Use them to gradually downshift. The lower the gear, the more the engine resists the wheels, helping slow the car down. Now, here's something you absolutely don't want to do. Don't shift into neutral. Neutral disconnects the engine from the wheels, which means you lose engine braking. Instead, keep the drivetrain connected and continue downshifting where your car allows it. If you're still going too fast, you can also use the parking brake. But if you have a traditional handbrake, don't yank it up suddenly. Apply it gradually. If the rear wheels lock up, you can lose stability and start sliding. And if your car has an electronic parking brake, many modern vehicles can perform emergency braking when you hold the switch. But the exact behavior varies between cars, so don't assume every system works identically. Once you've got the car slowing down, your priority is finding the safest place to stop. Turn on your hazard lights and use your horn to warn other drivers. If possible, move away from traffic. Look for an open shoulder, an uphill road, or another area where you can safely slow down. Avoid sudden steering movements, and don't completely switch off the engine while you're still moving. You could lose power assistance and make the car harder to control. Once you're slow enough, get completely off the road and stop. Then call for help. So remember, gas off, brake firmly, pump the pedal, downshift, use the parking brake carefully, warn other drivers, and find a safe place to stop. Because knowing what to do before your brakes fail could be the difference between staying in control and losing it. Subscribe for more videos like these.